Now the process begins from downloading the essential files, which are the theme, the icon pack and the wallpaper at first. So here is our Orchis GDK theme. Just go to the code and download the zip file. Do the same with tel icon pack, just like this. It shall be downloaded and will take no time. Now you have to choose your wallpaper. And thanks to me, I have collected one of the most wonderful wallpapers here, along with a CS practical paper. I don't know where it came from, but now let me just choose a good one. For example, I like this one. So I'm gonna just download it. And it shall take no time to download, just like that. Now you have to enable some Gnome extensions. Just go to the website linked in the description or just search for Gnome extensions on Google. There, first enable user themes, then search for blur my shell, and now the most essential and the most important one, dash to panel. Search for it. Now you might see 2 or 3 options. Just go for this one by Charles G99. Now turn on each one by one, just like that. Turn them on, all of them. And now it is time to install the essential things. For example, the icon pack and the theme. Just extract. Now let's just apply the wallpaper first. Here we go. Set, and there it goes. Now go to the Orchis theme. Right click here. Open in terminal or console. Now for installing it, you might have just right click on here and run as a program, but we're going to do more than that. Type /install.sh -l. -l means lib it vita, so that the theme is properly installed and applied across the system. Now go back. Now for the tel icon pack, just right click on this install.sh and run as a program. It should do all the things by itself. You don't have to do anything here. Now you have to install Gnome tweaks for. Now then, go to dash to panel and go to the settings. And now comes the real deal. First thing first, turn on dynamic panel length. This will make it short, more concise and better. Now you can adjust the things as you want. For example, I want date menu to be at the right hand side, just like that. But I want the, well, what do you call this thing? Turn off the desktop button for sure. And I'd like to turn off this right box because it is annoying, alright? Now, as you can see, the panel has been turned to literal, like a concise version. But that is the thing we needed to make it look like the thing you saw at the starting of the video, the intro. Now go to the style and turn on border radius to the maximum. Now it might look a little better. Now increase the panel thickness to a level which you like. For example, I like at least this much. Yep, I know it is way much, but I'm gonna, enable panel IntelliHide, which will not let it, hinder the size of a few particular things, as you can see. Now go to the style and now we have to customize this particular in a proper way. For example, now it should be showing, but it is not, so we're gonna go, okay, I forgot this one. Go to the position, go to IntelliHide settings. Now only hide the panel when it is obstructed by the window, so whenever it comes something near it, then it will go dark and hide, but not unless it is focused and something happens. Okay, now let's just go back and finish this thing. Now for the icon size, which is something I literally don't like, I'd like to increase or decrease the app margin, but increase the icon padding in order to make them look better. For example, like this much. Now increase the side margins because it will give it a better look. Now increase the side paddings to this much so that it looks classy, but okay, approximately 8 for me. Now increase the top and bottom margins, which is really important. It will make this dash to panel sort of dog float, which is just the thing we need. I'm gonna make it float approximately this much, but then I'm gonna increase the size of the dog as well. Yep, that much. Now I don't like this highlighted part of it, so I'm just gonna remove it. Go to the dynamic background opacity, turn it on, go to the settings, and alright, this is not the place where it is supposed to be. Go to the running indicator, then go to the settings and turn this highlight focused application. It should make it look better. But then there's another thing. Turn on indicator color should be icon dominant. Turn it on. Now it looks better. Now I'd like to decrease the top and bottom margins by a little to make it look a little better. Just like this much. Okay. We can increase the top and bottom padding to make it look a little smaller, just like that. But no, not much, but a little. Just like that much. Now as you can see, it is already looking gorgeous. And you can leave it right now here, but you can just add a proper menu like a start menu and make it look way better than that. You can watch that in my previous video about Ubuntu, where I covered this extension in detail. But I'm not gonna do that because that's not the part of my customization. Now as you can see, this looks pretty gorgeous. It has everything in the taskbar, sort of dash to dock, but it is pretty good here, as you can see, and it will be with you all the places wherever you want. Now as you can see, it is hide, but you can just enable it by going to the bottom, and that's how it looks pretty gorgeous. And I believe with that being said, I hope you have enjoyed the video. As you can see, it is looking pretty gorgeous, but we can make it way better if we apply just the proper wallpapers according to it. Now I can search for a few wallpapers if you want, but I believe this red abstract digital art is the best for it, maybe in my eyes. And I believe with that being said, the video is completed. And I hope you have liked the customization, and if you did, then you can just subscribe for more awesome tech videos which are now uploaded consistently. And yeah, I'm wondering what is this Dino application which just showed right in front of me. It's from Dino development team. It's a modern open source chat client, alright. So it's like Telegram and WhatsApp. It allows you to chat. Okay. And I'll meet you next video. Till then, I'm signing out.